Good evening. Thank you for joining us tonight. The family of an autistic man tased by Greenville police officers lost in federal court today.
Today, a jury decided that the officers' actions were justified when they tased Tario Anderson. It was Christmas Eve of 2014. Our Erin Rogers spoke with the family's attorney after the verdict, and she's joining me right now live at 7 on Main with an update tonight. Erin.
Well, Amy, the attorney for the family told me they wanted to do a federal trial so that they could get a diverse jury pool from across the state to bring different perspectives to the table. But as we saw in the verdict, that still did not work in their favor.
This video shows the commotion after Tario Anderson, an autistic man, was stopped by police and tased twice before being arrested on Sullivan Street.
His rights were violated.
But today, a jury decided Greenville police officers made a lawful stop and arrest.
The Anderson family was sorely disappointed at the outcome of the verdict, as we were as well, and we don't think it was the right verdict.
The officers were on trial for using excessive force and causing emotional distress to Anderson's mother.
We both feel like they suffered grievous injuries due to this unjust, arrest.
But attorneys were happy to see this police misconduct case get as far as it did.
Well, very few of these cases ever see the light of day because typically internal affairs and maybe other law enforcement divisions serve as kind of the overseers.
And officers have qualified immunity, which protects them if they make a mistake while acting in good faith.
It's a way to negate individual responsibility when authority is abused.
Anderson's attorney says if there's one good thing that came out of this, it's the awareness brought to mental illness. It even spurred a crisis intervention team being implemented at the police department, which specifically deals with interactions with mentally ill community members.
They're good police officers that make bad decisions, and sometimes they're bad policemen, but I just really and truly hope that we can make progress so that things that are injurious in nature and violative of people's rights don't continue to happen.
Now the family will have to decide if they want to appeal this ruling and take it to the circuit court up in Richmond, Virginia. Amy.
And so any updates as we go forward with this in terms of the timeline of how long that could take to go up through this process?
The attorney did not give us a timeline. He says the family first just has to decide if that's something they even want to pursue.
Okay. Erin Rogers, thank you.